Canna Lily, Bengal tiger, Pretoria, Tropicana, or some call it Pringle Bay. Canna lilies are one of the most popular plants in the world due to being attractive, easy to grow, quick growing, and subtropical. They prefer full sunlight, at least 6 hours, and preferably 8 hours. And if they're planted in a shady area, they'll grow very slow, but they do need at least some direct sunlight. They are good in hardiness zones 6A to 10, and in zone 7 and below they need to be well mulched in the wintertime, or they could be easy to remove from the ground and stored in a dry place that's cool. Plant at least 3 to 6 inches deep and 2 to 18 inches apart. They prefer well-draining, rich organic soil and tolerate many soil types. Page 2. Water. They like moist soil but not soggy, and once they're established they can handle some drought. They prefer temperatures around 90 degrees, but they do start growing when temperatures are 50 degrees or warmer. It needs to be 50 degrees just a few days and a new leaf might appear. Fertilizer. They're heavy feeders, and so it's easy when first planting them to mix in slow release fertilizer. Cannas are a tropical and subtropical flowering plant with large banana-like leaves. Flowers can last really just 2 to 3 days. Therefore, they're really grown for their leaves. But you can deadhead the flowers right before they start to fade, and that'll help the plant to make more shoots and more flowers. Usually each shoot will make one flower cluster. When the rhizomes are planted in the springtime, they'll usually double and sometimes triple in one growing season. And they're resistant to most pests and funguses. Cannas are not true lilies. The name canna is from the Latin word cane, or reed. They're native to areas of the Caribbean, East and West Africa, and Central and South America. It is one of the first earliest domesticated plants in the Americas. Some varieties grow 6 to 8 feet tall. Here's some examples. The Misopholia grows to about maybe 6 to 7 feet tall, and I have this new variety that's green. It seems to be the tallest growing canna. Here's a question for you. This particular canna with the variegated leaves goes by several names. Like I said before, Bengal tiger, Pretoria, Pringle Bay, Tropicana. In your opinion, are these different plants, or are these gimmick names that companies use to promote their cannas? Be sure to like and subscribe, as I said before, and check out my other videos all about plants.